Compass Brain software tutorial video optimizer memory, our eye movement program, and our memory program. So in this program, what's really important, if you could see that we, just like some of the other optimizer programs, here's all the list of our targets. So obviously we could have a sports, or we could have a dot. If it's a dot, we could change the color, we can change the size, we can have a background color, like if we want gray. So this is really important. So the key to this program is there's 4 visual fields: up to the left, down to the left, up to the right, down to the right, and there's 9 boxes in each visual field. So you could choose the number of targets, okay? You could choose how fast the targets come out. So if somebody has poor memory, you could choose, as little as 1 or 2 or 3 targets. You could choose, say the targets come out every 4 seconds, and then how many number of views before you respond. Okay, we could have as many times you could view the same pattern as many as 5 times. So if they have poor memory, sometimes you could start off, they could view it 3 times before we ask them to respond. And if we want to simplify things and we want to just put it in one visual field, we could just have the upper left box checked, or we could have, and as their memory gets better, we want to challenge them, we can have more visual fields the targets come out over, or we can have we can have more targets, and we can have the targets come out faster. All right, so we could have in between views, it could come out with the next view could come right away, or we could have a pause depending on if they fatigue. We could distract them with some music if we want. We could have a pause on the start, and then the number of sets or repetitions. Okay, and then like in the other optimizers, we can have more than one set. So we can have more in each set. You can have different settings. So again, in set 1, just say you want to keep the settings. You're okay. You yellow to save the set ones, then white to add another set. Say in the second set, we just want to change the target. So in set 2, it's highlighted in green. We edit the set to save the settings in yellow, and then just say we're ready for this record and we're ready to move the data to the client. We then, in green, we set the settings of the whole record of sets 1 and 2. Okay, we accept that there's no feedback, and then we assign, and this is the feedback questions, and then we assign the data, and that data creates a record, and that moves the data over to the client's phone. One software, many tools, cost effective, great results. We look forward to connecting with you.